Now, we introduce the installation video of SAYU NKLK310N320 Smart Lock. First, unpack the box. Here are the contents of the box. This is an outdoor panel. This is the indoor panel. This is strike frame. Cylinder. Keys. Cylinder bezel. Administrator cards. User cards. M5 long screws. M4 long screws. Self-tapping screws. Mounting plate. Rubber pad. Mounting plate screws. Well, before installation, you need to drill the corresponding holes on the door according to the hole opening diagram in the packaging box. You can also use double-sided tape to stick the hole pattern on the door panel and then locate the holes. This is a door board with holes already drilled for demonstration. Let's begin to install. This is indoor rubber pad. You need to put down the indoor mounting plate. Fix the mounting plate on the rubber pad. The four protrusions of the rubber pad extend into the mounting plate. The rubber pad and mounting plate are mounted behind the door panel. Align the already opened holes. 2 self-tapping screws to fix the mounting plate. The mounting plate has been installed. Then install the front panel. This is a waterproof outdoor panel rubber pad. Just fixed it. Hide the cable here by coiling them like this. Start to install. The cable should pass through the edge of this hole. Pass through the gap in the mounting plate. The extended length is about 5 cm. Then use the M4 long screws to fix the outdoor panel. One screw each for up and down fixing. Then install the lock cylinder. The torque blade should be cut according to the thickness of the door. The cutting length of the torque blade should be 1 cm beyond the mounting plate. The cylinder and bezel are installed on the outdoor panel. The cylinder is installed at the angle with this dot on top. The keyhole should be horizontal. The torque blade extends about 1 cm. Now use the M5 long screw to pass through the mounting plate to fix the cylinder. It goes through the long hole next to the blade. Install indoor panel now. The manual knob of the indoor lock should be kept vertical. Plug the power cable into the socket on the circuit board. Insert it to the bottom and lock the socket. When the indoor panel and the mounting plate fit together, make sure the blade is horizontal and deep into the lock hole of the indoor panel. Fix the indoor panel and mounting plate with screws. Then install the strike frame. The frame should be aligned to the indoor panel. Then, there is a 3 to 5 mm space between the frame and the panel. Secure the frame with self-tapping screws. After strike frame is installed, switch on power. Remove the 2 screws fixing the battery cover. There's a power switch in here. Flip the power switch up to turn on the power. Give a close-up, the power switch is here. Just flip it up and it will power on. There will be sound and light prompts after power on. There is also a startup sound on the outdoor panel. The deadbolt will automatically extend. After powering on, put the cover up and conduct a startup test. Put the 2 screws back in. When no administrator is set, the lock is in the initialization state. Any card, password, fingerprint can open the door directly. Now test the red button. Press the red button to open. The door will automatically lock after closing. Then test the manual opening knob. Twist counterclockwise to open the door. This anti-burglar is closed when it is in the cross position. The front panel cannot be opened. The manual knob cannot be turned on. Red button can't open. Turn it to the check mark position. The lock can be opened. Press to open the door. Remember to test the key to open the door. Close the door and it is locked automatically. Test fingerprint door opening. Test password to open the door. Swipe the panel to light up the buttons. Enter the 6-digit password followed by the pound key to end. Now open the door with the card. Test finished. After the test is completed, remember to close the cylinder cover. The notch of the cover faces downwards. Demonstration completed. Thank you.